So wire fraud is a major issue everywhere, whether it's your banking life, your everyday life, text to your phone saying that you wired something, call the bank immediately. It's just out there. But let's talk about when you're closing on a mortgage and you have to wire your funds to closing. Many states have good funds. It's a good funds law. It means over a certain amount of money, you have to wire, that the title company's not allowed to accept a cashier's check. So for example, in Illinois, it's $50,000. In Indiana, I believe it's $5,000. So every state is different. But if you need to send money to closing, for example, let's use Illinois, and the amount to go to closing is $100,000, you're going to wire it. Well, here's where the issues come in. I work for a mortgage company, and I only use my mortgage email, period. Everything I send to you is secure from me. But where the issue starts to come in is I'm emailing to your private email, to your maybe spouse's or partner's private email, your realtor is using their private email, and you have an attorney using their private email. So everyone's got private emails. I have a company email that is protected with, 8,000 layers of, protection. Your emails are generally not protected, and surprisingly, a lot of them are hacked. It's just a part of life. You don't know it, but they are. So where the fraud comes in is that someone has access to your email and they're reading emails and seeing purchase, home purchase. They're looking for keywords. Well, if they're reading your emails and they start to see the trend of who's emailing you, and even the title company can email to your personal email, now they have information of where you're closing, what you're doing. They'll change one letter. Let's say it's like atgtitle.com, and they'll make it, atjtitle.com. So it might look so similar. Let's say you get your wire instructions, they'll email changing wire instructions, and now you're wiring to some account overseas, and it's going to be gone forever. What you want to do if you're buying a home is, number one, call the title company direct. Google it, use Yelp, whatever. You just go on and find a separate way to find the title company's phone number, like online. You call the title company and you verbally confirm the instructions. If you even follow an email that says call here to verify, that email could be spam, and now you're calling the spammer's phone, and they're going to sound like the title company. So you want to make sure you identify the title company in a third-party manner. And then if you get the wire instructions from them, call them as well. And wire instructions should come to you securely in some capacity. So if you have any questions or concerns, if you're in an attorney state, talk to your attorney, talk to your lender. If you're not in an attorney state where you just have title, realtor, lender, talk to all three. Make sure you are 100% positive that you are wiring these funds to the proper place so that you don't get caught up in these scams, which are very, very surreal. I mean, they are so accurate in everything they're doing. It sounds real. It sounds like you're calling a title company. I can't stress enough, there have been so many cases of wire fraud, and it's not because of something you're doing wrong. It's just that emails aren't as secure as they used to be, and people are shocked that they're not secure. But be careful when wiring money to closing. If at all you're under the good funds amount in any state, bring a cashier's check. When in doubt, bring a cashier's check. So those are some tips on, how to get your money safely to the closing table, and use extra care.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.